Welcome back. Now we will create this menu for our landing page. So if someone will click here, for example, on pricing, so they will be redirected to the pricing section on our landing page. And if they will click on our work, so they will be redirected to the sample work images. So they can click here on the images and they can scroll the images from here. And if someone will click on how it works, so they will be redirected to the how it works section on our landing page, and by clicking on home they will go back to the home page of our website. For example, if someone will buy a package from us, so they will scroll to the pricing section, and suppose they are buying the basic package, so they will click on buy now button. So the basic package is added to their shopping cart, but in case if they want to go back to the home page, so they can click here on home. We will also add the contact us page and the affiliate page items in our menu, but for now we will only create these items. So creating this type of menu is very easy. Just follow me and you will learn it. So first of all, we will go back to our Elementor dashboard, and here we will create the CSS ID for all the section on our landing page. So for the first section, we will click here on edit this section, and if you cannot see this edit section option for this first section, so click here on navigator and then here click on the first section. Now close this, and here at the left hand side in the elements panel you will see edit section. So go to the advanced tab for this first section, and here you will see a CSS ID field. So here we will write an ID for this first section. So this is our sample work images section. So I will write here the ID our dash work. Now we will scroll down to the second section, and here I will click on edit this section. Then we will go to the advanced tab for the second section, and here in the CSS ID I will write the ID y dash us. So the CSS ID for this section will be y-us. Now we will scroll to the third section, and here again I will click on edit section. Then we will go to the advanced tab, and here in the CSS ID I will write how dash it dash works. So the CSS ID for the how it works section is how dash it dash works. Now we will scroll down to the fourth section, and here I will click on edit section. Then we will go to the advanced tab. So here we have already created the CSS ID pricing. If you remember when we were creating this call to action button, so that time we created the CSS ID for the pricing section pricing. So this is already created, so we will leave it as it is. Now finally we will click on update. Now we will go back to our WordPress main dashboard. So I will open that in a new tab, and in our WordPress dashboard we will go to appearance, and here we will click on menus. Now here first of all we will create a menu. So I will write a name for this menu here, main menu, and then from here I will check the box for main, because this will be the main menu of our landing page, and then I will click on create menu. So our this menu is now created. Now we can add item to this menu from here, like you can add your pages to this menu, but we will not add these pages, and we will scroll down, and here you will see the custom links option. So click on this, and here first of all we will create the our work item in our menu. So I will click inside the URL field, and here I will type the address of our website, like www.yourwebsitename.com. So I will simply copy it from here. Now I will paste it here, and then after .com you will write here / hashtag, and then you will write the our work section CSS ID. So the our work section CSS ID was our dash work. So you will write your website name.com /hashtag then CSS ID for that section. So the CSS ID for our work section was our dash work, and then here you will write the link text. So I will name it our work, and then I will click on add to menu. So you can see our work item is added to our main menu. Now I will click on save menu, and now if I visit our website in a new tab, so I will right click here and I will open this in a new tab. Now you can see that our work item is created. So if I click on this, it scroll a little down to the sample work images. Now we will create the other items, so I will go back to our dashboard, and here I will scroll down, and again I will click on custom links. Then I will write here our website address, so I will paste it here, and after .com I will write /hashtag and then the CSS ID for our second section. So the CSS ID for our second section was y-us, so I will write that here, y-us. Now in the link text I will name it y-us, and then I will click on add to menu. So you can see the y-us item is added to our menu. Now I will click on save menu, and now if I go to our website and if I refresh this page, so you can see the y-us item is also added here. Now if I click on this, so it is redirected to the y-us section on our landing page. Now we will go back and we will create the other items. So again I will scroll down, I will click on custom link. Here I will paste the address of our website, after .com /hashtag, and then the CSS ID for the third section was how-it-works. So I will write that here, how-it-works. Now I will name it how it works, and then I will click on add to menu. So how it works item is also added to the menu. Now we will create the pricing item. So again I will write here our website address, and after .com /hash, and the CSS ID for the pricing section was pricing, so I will write here pricing, and then I will name it pricing. Now I will click on add to menu. So the pricing item is added here to our menu. Now finally we will create the home item. So for the home item I will simply write here the address of our website, and then I will name it home, and then I will click on add to menu. Now I will scroll down and I will click on save menu. Now if you go to our website and if I refresh this page, so you can see all the items are added to our menu. If I click on pricing, so it is redirected to the pricing section on our landing page, and if I click on our work, so it is redirected to the sample work images. But if you see here, the home item is at the end of this menu, while in most websites the home item is at the first position. So to bring this home item from here to the first position, we will go back to our dashboard, and here I will scroll down a little. Now I will click on this home item, I will drag it and I will drop it at the first position. Now I will click on save menu. Now if you go to our website and if I refresh this page, so you can see the home item is now at the first position. Now we will design and style our this menu, like we will change the background color of this header, we will change the text color of this menu, and we will change the font family and the font size. So we will do that in the next lecture.